Right, in this question, I've been asked to find the perimeter of the shape in terms of h. Now, perimeter is making a starting point at one of the corners and then add your way around the shape until you get back to the beginning. Right, now this one has got no measurement on this side here and also nothing on this side here. So we're going to have to find them out before we can work this question out. Okay, so if I look at this one and I bring it across there, I know because of this one here, I know that this must be 3h, this dotted length. Now both together, they've got to make up the same width as this 7h. So this side there has got to be 4h, okay, to make the 7h up. So 4h on this bottom bit here. Okay, right now I'm going to do the same to this side here. Right, so with this side, what I'm thinking is if I push this one up, so it's this length here, I've got h from there, and I know that this height here is also h. So that means that this side over here must be 2h. Right, now I've got everything and I can go round adding everything up. So if I start here at the dot, I'm going to add up 7h plus h. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going along this way at the 4h. Then I'm going down, so it's another h along there plus 3h and then back up to the start. Okay, which is add on another 2h. So my perimeter is equal to 7, 8, 12, 13, 16, 18h. If you'd like more support with maths, my email is on screen. You're very welcome to get in touch.